Dad, bakit mo naman hinayaan na isama pa ni Harry si Tyrone? He's my husband. He's not your henchman.
Well, he wants to prove himself, right?
He already did.
Not enough. Binigyan ko na isang pagkakataon, but not my complete trust. Alam ko naman na ganun ka rin.
What?
Admit it. Hindi ka pa rin lubos sa